Water resource management. Water resource management is intelligent topic name. Importance of water. Importance of water. Environment in water percent. Environment in water percent. Formation. Oceans. Snow areas. Dams. Canals. Lakes and ponds. Available that environment in water percent 100, that 97% salt water, that formation model, oceans, snow areas water, tank area water, canal area water, lake area water, plants area water. Again, human useful water 3%, human useful water 3%, that use everyone 2 months. Use everyone 2 months. These are available. These are water available. These are divided 2 types. Available point divided 2 types. The first one, direct importance of water, indirect importance of water. Direct importance of water, indirect importance of water. That direct importance of water. These are we use agriculture. And use agriculture majorly Indian formation that 30% dependent peoples in agriculture method. Again, second one individual water individual industrials, water individual homely. Okay, these are information of directly importance of water. Again, indirectly importance of water. Now that first one, these are divided two types. First one, electrical in use water. Again, second one, aquatic living in habitat. Aquatic organism living purpose in use water. Now, first introduce topic name. Now directly method of water importance. That first one, individual agriculture method. Agriculture method is 80% water, 80% in India usually agriculture process. 80% in used agriculture process. Human, everyone. For head, human in used environment in water per day 150 liters. 150 liters. Again, industrial also in agriculture for head available 150 liters. Again, agriculture reduce the first one, storage rainwater in storage methods. First the storage name is called tanks. Another second, rivers, reserves, again canals, again lakes. Okay, these are agriculture individual water. Agriculture individual water, rainwater that storage in soil storage areas tanks. Another river is also storage. Another reservoir is also storage. Another canals, water place to another place travel that water because that one you use canals. Another last part of water storage lakes. This one also and you 80% in agriculture process. Again that and your sprinklers, again micro irrigation process, direct micro irrigation process is directly the the connected pipes, the directly connected pipes that are directly added in plant root or the directly added plant root or the one drop to another drop that are transmitted outside because that identify that one when you identify majorly in the agriculture use method. These are information of agriculture processing components of water. Another second one industrial use but industrial use time that alcohol preparation time also it use water. Again second one chemical compounds used after chemical compound preparation time it used water. Again third chemical compounds used in water. Again milk industrial also it used water. Third one medicinal compound preparation time in your water. The best example vaccine preparation. Again best example serum preparation. Again best example injection preparation time. That you got liquid compound that majorly liquid compound and that liquid compound name is called water molecule compound. That water molecule compound in added some chemical compound that are converted medicine that chemical compound added after that converted vaccines or tabs and the serums. These are information of industrially used water percent. Daily industrially used 52,000 liters. 50 for women for men is used 52,000 liters. Again, industrially used 50% water. Again, agriculture used 70% water. Again, homely used 50% water. For day, woman is used homely basic is used water percent 50 liters, minimum 50 liters. These are and homely basic used water that homely means mass purpose use. Mass purpose used again. And homely some percentage used homes. These are information directly importance of water molecules. Another second indirect importance of water. That first one electricals. Then aquatic organisms purpose use water. First one electrically use water. Electrically used water best examples oceans. Another best example projects. Projects mean Nagarjuna Sagar project. Another best example Nagarjuna Sagar project is water is used after electrical. Water is used converted after the converted electrical power. Another best example NTPC, National Thermal Power Corporation, that is used coal burning after that coal inside added water molecule compound. That water molecule compound involved after release of vapor release coming after that directly information of electrical power. These are information of electrical importance of water. Again aquatic habitats. Aquatic organism living purpose of use of water molecule compounds. That majorly amphibious organism in the water living plant organism. Another in water reptiles organism. In water living reptiles organism. In water living eggs organism. In water living mammals organism. living bulb. That the location area living because that identify name is called aquatic habitat organism. Aquatic habitat organism. These are information of importance of water topic.